Aging is an unavoidable process which is associated not only with changes in facial appearance, but also a decline in bodily function, with an increased likelihood of developing a host of age-associated diseases. Over the past century, there has been a gradual change in the spectrum of diseases, from the prevalence of infectious diseases to chronic or degenerative diseases. While the decrease in the incidence of infectious diseases is mainly attributable to the improvement in living conditions and advances in pharmacotherapy, the increased incidence of chronic or degenerative diseases is related to the marked increase in life expectancy in affluent societies. Chronic or degenerative diseases associated with aging include diabetes and its complications, Parkinson's disease, neurodegenerative diseases, autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus erythematosus. All these have greatly worsened the quality of life of elderly people and have imposed a great economic burden on both family and the societies. Given the holistic nature of chronic or degenerative disease in terms of disease development and symptom manifestation, allopathic modern medicine, which emphasizes the investigation of the biochemical basis of the disease followed by therapeutic intervention, cannot effectively manage most chronic diseases, not to mention their prevention. As such, individuals have sought solutions from nature in order to explore a better way of preventing and treating chronic degenerative diseases. Traditional medicine has therefore come of age in safeguarding health, particularly in the vulnerable elderly. In this connection, Chinese medicine is highly regarded as a gold mine for exploring alternative ways to prevent and treat chronic or degenerative diseases. As far as the prevention of disease is concerned, a trace of Chinese tonifying herbs can be used to supplement or patch up impaired body function. This is called bu in Chinese. According to Chinese medicine theory, a deficiency in body function, that is, a suboptimal health status, can be caused by genetic factors and or acquired environmental factors as well as aging. To remediate declining physiological function, one possible approach is supplementation with Chinese tonifying herbs with various functional properties depending on the particular pattern of deficiency in body function involved. In essence, yang or qi invigorating tonifying herbs, which are used for individuals with yang or qi deficiency, can upregulate energy metabolism with a resultant increase in bioenergy production. Alternatively, yin-nourishing or blood-enriching tonifying herbs are used for fortifying nutrient supply, as well as blood production in the body, with an associated stimulation of immune function. In addition to yang and yin-related function, qi and blood tonifying herbs also participate in modulating neuroendocrine function in the body in order to achieve and maintain optimal homeostasis. Over the past 2 decades, my laboratory at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology has done research on Chinese tonifying herbs with the aim of building a communication gap in health concept between Chinese medicine and modern medicine. Our research has been focusing on investigating the pharmacological basis of yang and yin Chinese tonifying herbs in relation to the effect on aging-associated diseases. We have been able to demonstrate that yang tonifying herbs can invariably enhance energy status of the body. And this observation is consistent with Chinese medicine theory, which states that yang is manifest as body functioning and all body functions are energy dependent. A study has indicated that stamina, which reflects the body capacity in expressing yang activity, begin to decline before the age of 20 in young Japanese males. Our investigation of the biochemical mechanism involved in the enhancement of energy status revealed the ability of yang tonifying herbs to increase mitochondrial ATP generation capacity in cells and various tissues. Upon the stimulation of ATP generation, the increased reactive oxygen species, ROS, production arising from the activation of electron transport induced by yang tonifying herbs can trigger retrograde signal transduction, with a resultant increase in the expression of antioxidant genes and hence cellular or mitochondrial antioxidant capacity. That means mitohomeosis, a process for maintaining a stable and permissive environment for mitochondrial function. The retrograde signaling can elicit an antioxidant response. It is believed that the glutathione-driven antioxidant network play a crucial role in combating damage induced by ROS. Cellular reduced glutathione, GSH, levels are maintained by synthesis from amino acid and glutathione redoxycycling from oxidized glutathione. GSH works synergistically with ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and alpha-tocopherol, vitamin E, by regenerating the reduced form from oxidized form. In so doing, antioxidant defense system can be sustained by cellular metabolic processes through the supply of ATP, that is energy, for glutathione synthesis, and NADPH, that is reducing power, for glutathione redoxycycling. Pharmacological studies have been shown that most yin tonifying herbs can stimulate immune response and possess strong free radical scavenging activity. Yin is the basis for adaptive immunity. A decline in body immunity can be caused by a number of factors, including age and body constitution, lifestyle, pollution, and infection. Studies have shown that an age-associated decline in immunity occurs starting from the teenage years. Taken together, yang tonifying herbs can increase mitochondrial ATP production. Yang tonifying herbs primarily stimulate immune responses against invading microorganisms and cancer cells. Both yang and yin tonifying herbs possess antioxidant properties which can preserve mitochondrial structural and functional integrity, as well as sustain immunity with a resultant prevention of age-associated diseases and retardation of the aging process. Now, we understand why Chinese tonifying herbs can serve as an effective means for promoting health. If we take stamina and immunity as example, the decline of yang and yin-related body function commences from the teenage years. So, we should therefore take Chinese tonifying herbs for safeguarding health before it is too late.